So today we're going to show you how to install the armor into your pants. Here we have a pair of our Adventure All-Season pants, and these are our Cool Air Summer Mesh pants. One of the things that I often tell customers is if you want to get familiar with what the pockets look like, it's a good idea to turn it inside out. I have these turned inside out, especially for the thigh armor pocket, because a lot of times people don't understand how that actually works. So you're going to put that in just like this to familiarize yourself. Let's go ahead and we'll install the tailbone first. This is the part that's going to face your body. So you're going to just slide the tailbone right into the pocket, straighten that tailbone out and push it down. On the hip, you're going to find that hip armor pocket here. You're going to take this, remember this faces your body, you're going to fold it just slightly, find that pocket, and then you'll slide it in just like this. And then just kind of flatten it out. And see, that'll flatten out nicely. For the thigh armor, the easiest way to do this, again, this is going to face your body, this will be facing out. Just fold it nicely like this. Put your arms in, find the pocket, open it up with one hand, and then adjust it by pulling on the corners of the thigh armor and just wrap those corners right around. And then just flatten it out. On the knee armor, what you'll do is you will unzip the bottom of the pants. You'll take your knee armor and you're going to fold it just like this. You'll get that pocket here, slide the knee armor up into the pocket, give it a good wiggle, and then there's a little lip right here, and you're going to want to pull that lip right over the bottom to help secure that knee armor in place so it doesn't slide down.